Everything looks normal at first. People casually sit down, relax, and have no idea what's coming. Hidden inside the seat is a car horn, waiting for the perfect moment. The second they get comfortable, honk! Instant shock. People jump up, hearts racing, eyes wide open. Some scream, some laugh uncontrollably. Others look around in total confusion like, what just happened? After the scare, the laughter kicks in. Everyone realizes it's just a harmless prank. These reactions are absolutely priceless and pure comedy gold. Would you get scared or start laughing? Watch till the end for the funniest reactions.
Jesus! What the?
Oh no! Oh my god!